2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Woo! Look at this thing, 5.7 liter HEMI. Power, and there's Juan peeking. I see you peeking, Juan. Anyways, 5.7 liter HEMI. You know, I like these cars. I like anything with a lot of power and a lot of room. Because I'm a little bit on the bigger side. I'm 6'4". Okay, guys, so nobody knows, but I'm 6'4", so I need a little bit more space. Anyways, here's the factory converters, there and there. Then we did the mid-muffler delete and added an X-pipe to complete it, to give it, they went with the loudest first. If it's too loud, we can always come back and add some mufflers in. But they say, you know, go loud or go home. So that's what they did. So they're going loud at first, as you guys can see. And then we also did a rear resonator delete there and right there. Kept the factory tips out the rear because honestly to me they look really nice. They're nothing crazy, just clean. It fits the body lines really nicely on this Jeep. So there's the mid muffler that was on it. There's the rear resonator that was on it. We took them all off and replaced them with beautiful straight pipes. So stay tuned, guys, and you know, make sure you guys watch our other videos. We have over 3,500 videos online, so make sure you guys watch us. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and hit that subscribe. Guys, we got us a 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee HEMI 5.7 liter beast. HEMI, baby. What we got done on it for you guys. Got factory converters there and there. Then it usually comes with a mid muffler right in the middle. We deleted that and put two Flowmaster OUTLAWs, part number 815-425S. There'll be a link in the description for him right there. Then continued his original 2 1/4 piping, and then did a rear resonator delete there and there, right there, into 4-inch tips, chrome. There'll be a link in the description for them also. Double wall stainless steel tips there and there. Like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe for more beautiful content. Look at that HEMI symbol. You know this thing's a beast. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. This is everything we deleted. There's the rears, and there's the middle muffler right there. So we had the OUTLAWs on it before. It's a 2012 Grand Cherokee, but he came back, it's too loud for him. So he came back and we put him some Carven TRs. We took the Flowmaster OUTLAWs out and put them 2 Carven TRs right there and right there. Part number, ooh, they're probably right in front of me. Anyways, CVET R30s. 3-inch in, 3-inch out, right there. And then the delete on the back still the same, there and there. The 4.5-inch tips is still the same, there and there, double wall stainless steel. There'll be a link in the description for everything. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Wow. Look at this beast come alive. Sounds phenomenal. HEMI, man. Raw HEMI power. Again. Look at my watch. That means it's a good thing. It's over decibels. Right at 110. Go ahead and back it up. HEMI. Here on the inside. Much better. Give a guess? That's amazing. I love it. Your sound decibels, go ahead. Wow. Earlier it hit 122. Go ahead and back it up. Heck yeah, you cannot beat it. What are we gonna do when they come out with electric cars? gas. That's amazing. That sounds so good. That screams heavy. Let you guys hear it? Better. Yeah, it's 105 now. 15 are gone. There's sound decibels. So it's got Carven TRs. It was like 124 before, I think. Now the highest is 112 in peak. It's a lot quieter. He wanted a lot tamer. And that's what we did. They don't disappoint when you want a clean sound. That sounds really nice. Jeep Grand Cherokee HEMI. Again? Let you guys hear on that. Sorry guys, it got windy all of a sudden. Look, you can see the dirt over there blowing off. Here we go. I like they did the tent on it too, so it's clean. Look at that sucker! Ah! Wow! Very impressive. Enjoy, guys. Be small. Jeep Grand Cherokee HEMI 5.7, 2012. Really beautiful car. Flowmaster Outlaws, rear delete, 4.5-inch tips. Jeep Grand Cherokee with Carven TRs.